Hi there, everyone. We are here to show you how to create a strategy. Creating a strategy it's not hard, but what's hard is you to follow your plan. That's what's hard. So the best for you to do is just sit and wait for your results. So trading plan and trading strategies are two different things. Okay? This are two different things. One is what you're gonna do, and two is how you're gonna do it. Understand? Like, let's say let me put an example. What's my plan for today? My plan for today is I'm going to the supermarket. Okay, I'm going to the supermarket. So my groceries, the way I'm gonna buy them is the strategy I'm gonna use. Like, for example, I'll go to the first aisle, then the second aisle, take what I need, the third aisle, take what I need, and the fourth aisle, take what I need, and go to the cashier and go out. I had a plan. My plan was go in the supermarket, go for aisle 1, 2, 3, 4, then to the cashier and leave. That was my strategy. My plan was to go to the supermarket. So, what's your trading plan? Your trading plan is what you're gonna do and how you're gonna do it are two different things. Trading plan. First thing. Let's say our trading plan is what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do. What time we're gonna do it. Time. I'm gonna do it at most volume time. Let's look for the most volume time. We're gonna be looking for the volume. The higher volume we have, it's at okay guys, my time here is way out of my league here. So higher volume time is at 4, so I have to do quite a calculation here. So it's 12 a.m. It's 12 a.m. 12 again and 4. Okay, so let's say my volume time is at 4. So New York time, it has to be like 4, like 10, I believe, New York time, or 9. I'm not really sure. I know it's around there. Let me just try. What's just happened? I got bad internet. Bad internet. So guys, I'm very tired. I didn't want to do this today. So it's at 12 hours. 12 hours. So if we have 4 o'clock here, we have 10 o'clock. Okay, so here we see the most volume we have on London session close London on London close, New York open. That's what it says. Okay, so our time for trading, we want to trade when there's volume. Like, that's my trading plan. Okay, my trading plan is trade when there is volume. Trade London open. Trade London session. Let me see if London session is really necessary. Yeah. Pre-London. Okay, we got pre-London, London open, London session, pre-New York, New York open. So here we have new. Okay, so so we say that New York open at 2. I don't understand this. I wish I could drag this right here like this to understand it. So New York open at 1 at 2. So New York open at 2. 2 p.m. Oh. 2 p.m. Okay, so my time for trading is gonna be let me just put this more down. I can't drag it from down here, so I have to drag it from up here. It's gonna be from here, that's 8 o'clock. From 8 a.m. to what time? To, let's put it until 7:50. 7:58 p.m. Okay. I'm not trading those 12 hours off. I'm not trading those 12 hours. I'm just saying the volume. So time for trading is gonna be 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Anything outside this, I'm not interested. So my trading plan, let me just separate this a little bit. So my trading plan is gonna be, that's my trading plan. I mean, that's what I'm gonna do, that's when I'm gonna start before using my strategy. They go together, but it's not the same. It's not the same. So trading plan complete. That's when I'm gonna start in the markets. We're gonna be using a simulation that's gonna help us test our strategy. You understand? So after you have your trading plan, my trading plan is easy. Oh, I forgot to put time to trade, how long to trade. To trade 4 hours. Why 4 hours? Because I'm not a slave to the market. I'm not a slave to the market. I'm just a normal guy just trying to make money. So let's look. I would like to look for a random date. Let's see. Random date. Random date generator. Oh, I'm so tired. I was gonna do a month of simulation, but I'm tired, so I'm just gonna do a week. Well, I'm very hungry. Let's see, 2023. Let's look for November and August. August 1st, November 30th. So like weekdays. Want a weekdays. I just want Sundays. Got dates. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy shit! Go back. I need to fix it. Something here. This has to be a 3. Okay, get dates. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see which date is the winner. One ticket. I don't really know how to pick numbers, random numbers. The 5th one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one. So November 19. We're gonna be doing November 19. So we come here, we go to November 19. November 19, we're doing that week. Okay, so that week we're gonna do it with $5,000. Listen, if I do it with $5 million, $5,000 is the same thing. It's gonna be the same thing because it's, how can I explain it? It's the same thing. It doesn't have anything to do with anything else. I can do it with 5 million. It's percentage. We're talking about percentage. If you make $1 on $100 account, if you make $10 on a $10,000 account, if you make $1,000 on $1 million on $1,000 on $100,000 account, and 10,000 on $1 million account, it's relative. 1% is 1%. Doesn't matter. That's what we after. Percentage. Don't never look at the number. Look at the percentage. Remember that. I could recommend you guys to buy Magic Keys. It helps you guys look at percentage, lot size, risk amount, protects you, and you can say, hey, I'm gonna risk only $5 in this trade. Whoop, you risk $5. Hey, I'm only gonna risk 1% in this trade. Whoop, you lost 1%. It helps you risk what you want to risk, and don't just have to just reopen it. Oh, my stop loss is too hard. Wow, I'm gonna lose 300 in this trade. I didn't know I was gonna lose 300. I have to close it to put my lot size lower, or miss out the trade because you will find it the right lot size for your trade. You see Magic Keys, just you have Magic Keys set up on one spot, and the price move another spot automatically. It change your lot size, and it change your loss value and everything. You can see everything in real time. Okay. Probably there's some places that can give you that, but I don't really know. So we said November. We said November 19, and we said Saturday, right? Oh, I'm sleepy, guys. I'm probably not gonna be doing very good trade today. Well, I'm just showing you guys how to create a trading strategy. That's all. I'm not really here to test previous method is good or it's bad. So I like this black, and I like this white, and I like to put it with a none. I want to remove object, show ask line, and short shift. No, scale fix. Yeah. So we're here. How long are we in? We're in about 16 minutes. That's good. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna be doing risk. You know, we're gonna be risking 1.5%. Each trade, I'm gonna be risking 1.5%. So stop loss, I'm gonna put it automatic with the risk trade panel. I want to see that here because this is your MT5 trading panel, but we won't be needing that because we're stimulating. So you're gonna want to see the session for these days, and we see this is London. So we said we're gonna be trading from here. How do I know? Let me get back to my from 8 a.m. to 12 hours. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So until the 21. When it reaches 21, we stop trading. Okay. So my strategy, I'll be using my strategy, of course. My strategy, yeah, I'm not gonna use my strategy. I'm gonna create a new strategy. Okay. See, firstly, find the best in the higher time frame. The best in the higher time frame. And the best in the higher time frame. Okay. 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours. That's where I'm gonna be putting lines to move to be retested, or to be at those positions, or to be my take profit, to be my stop loss. That's where my lines are gonna be. Okay. Okay, so let me just write it down here just in case. Find support and resistance in these areas, and support resistance in these areas for entry, TP, SM. That's not where I'll be having my entry. That is my trading plan strategy. That is where I'll be looking to find an entry. So you gotta understand, a setup and an entry is two different things. Okay? Setup is when you see, like, okay, I trade break of structure. Okay, this is a break. Okay, this is a break. Has support, it broke the downside. Okay, the entry is when this candle comes, like, let's say we need to see two or more blue candles to go down. Okay, here we have one candle, we didn't have another one. We have one other candle, we didn't have another one. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue candles, and this one broke is low and it came down. That's a way to say that's your entry point. This is your entry point, not here, but here. You waited and you got paid. So waiting pays off. Just gotta wait. Okay, so we're gonna use that. So two or more opposite two or more opposite, or two or more opposite candle. No, I don't want. Doesn't sound like how I wanted to say. Okay, let me just figure that out later. Entry. Setup. I'll just look at that later. Okay, so here we're going for the day, for the weekly. We have news. Look, I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm sleepy. I'm not gonna be looking at news, so let everything be how it has to be. So my strategies that I'm creating says that I need something like this to happen. So we on a blue chart right now, right? So here we have this high, and here we have this low on the weekly. So we have the weekly. Wait, we have the weekly. So we go on the daily. On the daily, we could see this, but also we see this is more stronger, but we can't have this to this to this because the range is just so small. Look, when we have range, that's something I'm doing because I know. Whenever we have range like this one, poof, look what this did. It just tapped and came back. Even if it's break tomorrow, look what it did. It tapped and came back. This, look what it did here. Look at here. Look what it did here. Tap and came back down. Tap and came back down. You understand? This is not a strategy I want you to do yourself. You can create your own strategy. I'm just explaining what I see in the markets. I'm explaining that's what I see, so that's going to be part of my strategy. Okay. So, my strategy is saying that we here, bro, touch and came down. Okay, we came back, and probably we're going down. Okay, on my daily, we go looking for some cells on my daily. So I'm gonna open up a new folder here and put day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. Oh no, it's until day 5. Day 5. So we're looking for cells, right? We're looking for cells, but check this out. Check this out. You see how this daily candle just closed so small from this candle? Like, this candle has a big rejection, but this candle is so small that it couldn't even bypass this. It was raging that day. Just like he didn't want to be a part of that day. So we're gonna exclude this candle and say, okay, you know what? Let's break this low here to have a sell. Let's break that low to have a sell. but we gonna keep going from the back ahead to see what we find here. Look, you see this? I need this like away from me so I can concentrate. Okay, so look, what I'm seeing here is something that if we have a closure around here and we push down, we may feel this wick here. So, but we have a resistance here, right? Have a resistance, but it was broken here. So this resistance for me, it ain't nothing. So, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock. Let's put on our pendant, and we have our stuff here. We have this stop on the 21. Stop on the 21. That's right there. So look how this works. We can forward it every 15 minutes. But as I'm not done, I'm still looking through the 30 minute, the 15 minute. Okay, so I'm seeing that this is a strong level. Okay, so we hit it up with a 15 minute and see what happens. Okay, so now it's 10 o'clock. Okay. Now I need a broker below here. I don't want to trade that day. Okay, we having a break. Okay, here we have a break. That was a good break. And now I'm looking like for something to retest back up here. Okay, so now look. We're gonna hit play. I'm gonna see where that candle closes. If it closes red, we probably gonna be in a position. Wait a minute. Okay. So waiting for a red candle to close. Waiting for a red candle to close. Waiting for a red candle to close, and it here. Look at here. A lot of beautiful play out. This is gonna be awesome. We put a sell stop. Look how this changed. You see, we put it here. We're risking 74, 73, 72, 73. As long as I'm moving this, our percentage, our pips is gonna be giving us. It's gonna change. Like if we put our stop loss right strictly in our entry point, our lot size is gonna be bigger. So much further is it from the entry point, much smaller it is. Like, okay, you see I'll take profit 106. If I put it close, you see how it goes up to 750, and if I put it here, see how it goes up and just burst up. It's the same pips. Look, it's 489 pips, but I'm just learning the pips as long as I'm moving there. This line of stop loss. So I need this here, the entry point right there. Okay. So what I'm looking for is this is a 31 pip. So where did I say it was gonna go? I couldn't see, but okay. I don't have something fixed here. Let me see. Yeah, but of course I have something fixed. Yeah, but the daily candle. 4-hour candle. 4-hour candle. 1-hour candle. Okay, on the 1 hour, oh, we're right there, so we don't have to worry. So I just put in a sell stop We just have to see how it goes. Okay, let me just pause this. Pending orders. Let's pause this. Okay, my order just got activated. Let's continue. To see, look, here is my lot size. Okay, stop. I couldn't catch it, but I was gonna close half here. I couldn't catch it. Why? Because I had it too fast. So let me just lower the speed. But still, I'm gonna still close percentage. I'm gonna close 50%, put stop loss at break even. So if it decides to come back, touch my stop loss, doesn't matter. Okay, so now here is where I close my 80%. I was gonna close 80 later, but how I couldn't, because it was too inconvenient for me. So here we go. We're getting a New York open, so we're gonna have volume to come down. We're gonna have volume, so all I'm waiting is to see how this is gonna react to New York open. Okay, broke the low, so if it breaks its high, I'm closing. You know what? It's in this week. Let me just close it. Close it. Bye bye. Okay, so I think, ooh, look at that go. Wow, look at that candle go. Like if it ain't have a family. Oh my god. So look here, we gotta go back to this session here, 9 o'clock. Do the same thing we did when we were, testing the 9, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we're at 9 o'clock. We come back here. No, we cancel this. So day 1, how much we did in day 1? Day 1, I forgot something. Day 0, 5,000. Day 0, 5,000. Okay. Day 1, 5,033.55. Okay. So we do the same thing. We look for the week. This thing. So the weekly is breaking the high of the pre of this, so we have a good chance to go up. So our target for this week is gonna be buys. Guys, I'm gonna explain this tomorrow. Just try to keep up. Ask your questions. In the next video, I'm gonna answer all your questions. Okay, so I'm in buys. I wanna be in buys today. Today's what? Tuesday. I wanna be in buys. So I don't care what anybody says. I wanna be in buys. The 4 hour. I wanna be in buys here. So I want to be in buys here. The hourly, everybody's just looking weird, bro. These guys are weird. So I need a candle closure above this area, then we can come and touch this area above. So remember, we just find, just click play so I don't miss out the trade. So our trade is gonna be taken on the 30 or 15 minutes, depending on what the state is. Okay. Going down. Going down. Coming up. Going down. It's on 21. Not yet. Okay, wait, stop. We have to enter a live trade. Buy. Okay. My stop loss, buy. My stop loss is gonna be right here. My take profit is gonna be all the way up here. And let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's stop it there. To close percentage, I usually close 8% and put stop loss and break even and let the rest work. That's how I do it. Okay, so it stopped me out. Look at that go. Look at that baby go. Wow. When I got in that spread, I would have won. Doesn't matter. You just don't have to be greedy. Never be greedy. 9, 9, 9. Right here. Okay. Let me get my glasses, cause so we did the same thing we did on day 1. We do it on day 2. But now, don't forget, we have to put on how much we made here, or we lost 574.23. So we're going for day 3 now. Day 3. Let's see. We put this here. We do it for a week. We look at the week. See how the week is looking. The week we touched here and it's coming down. Well, the week we are not too friendly with the week, because the week is in a ranging zone. So for me to continue buying, I need my buys to be right here. Right here. Okay? So right here or above this so for me to take sells, I'm gonna want to see something about down here, closure down here, not like this, because if it goes like this, I'm gonna do a buy on the break of the high. If it goes like this, you see, like this, woof woof, like this, woof woof, did this, it come back to retest and we break the high. But if it tricks me and does this, but it doesn't break the low, this candle doesn't break the low, I ain't entering. It has to, for me to fall in a trap, let me see what I can see here. For me to fall in the trap, okay, this candle, let's see, how can I do it? For me to fall in the trap, I can't find the trap. Sorry guys, I can't find the trap. At least not now. So what I said on this is I'm waiting for my signal here. So this is my line of buys. This is my line of buy. If it comes down here, I'm gonna be waiting for it patiently. So the hourly are looking great. Okay, so now all we do is wait till our setup form. Wait till our setup is formed. Okay. Well, guy, I'm sleepy. What time is it? 12, it's 12 a.m. So the candle is going up. Rejected up there. I don't care if it rejects. I just want to see something happen in my trading session. Okay. Not good. Okay, let me see. Let me see how close this was to my line. It was 21 pips. It was 21 pips. Could we take that as 21 pips and enter a trade? Let's see. Let's you know what? I'm gonna lower my risk. I'm gonna put a 0.5% on this. As it didn't do what I wanted it to do, I'm risking only 5%, or I'm only risking $20 in this trade. $20. I'm risking $22 to get $25. That's what I'm risking. That's what I'm risking. This is not a normal trade. This is not me trading. I mean, yes, it's me, but I don't want to have that tension inside, you know, that tension that I can't control when I'm trading. I can't control why I should have entered this and that. So everything, if I have that desire of trade, wow, it was close. Okay, you know what? For me not to miss an opportunity, I'll lower my risk. I lower my risk to my buy stop being activated. Let's see our trade. How was it? How was our trade? I think I'm gonna fast forward it. What time is it? Oh, it's soon closing. So we should be having volume in about 10 minutes. So we have volume in about 10 minutes. Voila. 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, volume. There you go. That's the volume. So as this close the low, wait a minute, stop. Don't go too fast. As this close the low, like I'm here, I close 50%. Because why? It closed the low of the candle that I supposed not close the low. Okay, so now I broke this other candle low, so I close everything. That's it. I'm not interested in that trade anymore. I'm not interested in that trade anymore. Okay, you see? This is the second opportunity that I can get my trade. You see? See what happened here? It touched. Had a break and it didn't go up, but it didn't even it had a break to the downside, but it didn't broke this. So this, if it would have broken it, I would have come and say, okay, we're gonna have a sell. But I'll do that here on this line, not here on that line. So here I'll have a buy stop with my normal risk. Buy stop here. Up here, my buy stop will be here. That's my buy stop. That's my buy stop. So we play it. Let's see how it goes. You know what? If it touches my stop loss, okay. You see what's this? Our time is almost up. We can't do it. Why? Because it's Wednesday and we are not ready to rumble because we don't have time to rumble. So our today was we weren't gonna take that trade, but we took it. And I'm happy I took it. Okay, so we go for the next day. The next day is gonna be Thursday at 9. Look at here, 9. So we look on the weekly. We see the weekly having a big rejection. And the daily, we see that the daily is doing the same thing here. Close below, then close below, then it going up. Okay, so our bias today is bias. So our bias today is bias. So wow, I'm very sleepy. Our bias today is bias. Our line changes because we seeing some different things. Some different things are happening. Look, and this is a good setup here. This is a good setup. Why? Because we had a push up, then we had a play around, and here we touch this. So if we're gonna grab liquidity, you're gonna grab liquidity. So I could guess that this take profit, I can put it all the way up here. Why am I take profit putting it all the way up here? Because I'm gonna close flush it here. This is my profit. This is my profit. Let me see how many pips we got here. 60 pips. That's my profit. That's my profit. See, we have a better entry here in the 1 hour. But I'm gonna leave my 4 hour entry. Okay, our entry just been hit. So let's look for 30 minutes and so we can see it better. Wow, my bottom side is being hit. So we close half. Close half. If this guy, let's see what it does. Okay, so we're closing bullish here. No. If we break this low here, this candle bad. We have a high probability. So continue. I'm looking for my buy areas here then. If we can catch one, nobody's gonna call us quite big. Wow, my setup just came with my closed session. This is so awesome. Let me close Thursday. Thursday we lost. So let's see with here we are. So we go back to the weekly. We see the weekly. What we see on the weekly is something is rejections. So we're looking for sells. We're looking for sells. Look for weeklies and sells. We're looking for sells. So to set up this for our. We're looking for sell. Okay, so for buys, you have to cross this line here. What I'm looking for is a candle to close inside this range there. That's what I'm looking for. So now we put a sell stop. All the way to the other part of the range, just like that. And we execute this with precision. Let's see. I'm gonna explain why am I holding it. It's because it's the last day. That's why I'm holding it. And because I don't care of losing. Okay. I don't care of losing. So our net profit for the last day was 4,964. We started on day 0 with 5,000. We built it to 5,033, 5,074, 5,063, 5,038, and 5,064. 4,964. This ratios is novice management. So that's why on this day I was supposed to lose. How much is 1.5? 75. On this day I was supposed to lose 75. On this day I was supposed to lose 75. On this day I was supposed to lose 75. On this day I was supposed to lose 75. This day, 1, 2, 3, 4 days above my initial balance. And the last day of no risk management, look where it led. Like I said, guys, I'm tired. You guys already see how you can build your trading plan. Learn from it. Learn from my mistakes, and please come back for a following video. Ask questions and let me know if you need anything. Take care and enjoy this new year.